Honestly, sa simula pa lang kasi talaga, it's purely political. That's why yung ano ko lang talaga, hindi ko lang maintindihan bakit hindi nila binibigyan ng respeto talaga yung en banc decision ng Supreme Court. That's really a heavy, statement coming from the judiciary. Actually, that's lagi ko inuulit, it's an objective view of the situation because they are there to interpret the law. However, ito namang mga politicians, they are elected officials and they represent the people or whatever, but they're elected, so meaning they're politicians. Their decisions are very subjective. Okay? So, ngayon, may decision yung Korte Suprema and yet they still want to push the issue. So, para lang sa akin kasi, kailangan natin respetuhin talaga yung Supreme Court because there are three separate branches of government. These are co-equal branches. So, bakit marami pa tayong pinag-uusapan? They are the ones who interpret the law. They already made the decision. Ibig sabihin, that should be final. Okay? So, sige na lang. In the name of democracy, sige. Nakarating sa Senate, ipapalik na naman. I suppose, yung Congress, mag-empire na naman yan ulit. Pero, I'm going to say what I said before. And from the beginning, it's a political scheme. It's a smear campaign against the Vice President.